Welcome people to MetroRail blog. Recently, a news article was published which landed as a bomb on Kolkata. That is, the under construction Howrah metro station is going to be the largest as well as the deepest metro station in the entire country. Today, we will be studying this fact in detail. Now, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss another video. We have a target of crossing 10,000 subscribers by 15th August. Please help us to do so. Now, the Howrah metro station, one of the underground ones of east-west corridor of Kolkata Metro, is going to be the deepest metro station in India. The base slab being at a depth of 30 meters, it beats the Horse-Khas metro station of Delhi Yellow Line, which currently is the deepest. The 5-floor structure under the Heritage Railway Station of Howrah will be efficient enough to handle metro trains at a frequency of 90 seconds on each platform. Technically, the station will have an integrated passenger entrance in between the platform number 16 and 17. Following are some official photos of the entrance of Howrah metro station. Okay, Howrah can be the deepest metro station of India, but probably not the largest. Bengaluru Metro claims that Kempegowda Majestic Metro Station is currently the largest metro station not in India, but in all Asia. It is the meeting point of the Purple Line and the Green Line. Now, we don't know either of the two metro stations' total surface area, but the 24-meter deep Kempegowda Majestic is way longer and wider than Howrah metro station. But it is true that the Majestic has 4 floors, whereas Howrah will have 5 floors. So it is quite obvious that Howrah has a probability to be larger than Majestic. Once we get the information from our sources, we will surely confirm whether Howrah is going to be the largest or not. If you have enjoyed this video, consider sharing this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.